China's needs have changed. While Africa is feeling the impact of less demand for commodities, some regions are gaining from the exports of finished products like wine.
China and Hong Kong combined consumes the most red wine in the world. That being said, we have to consider that 80% of the wine consumed in China is made in China. This makes them the 5th largest wine producing region in the world.
China is now South Africa's 6th largest wine market, exporting 11 million litres a year.
After 2 years of wine sales slowing down in China, customs figures are showing an increase of about 38% of imported wines. Industry commentators take this as an indicator of a possible rebound of the rapid increase that we saw before austerity measures were put in place about 18 months ago.
With the slowdown in demand for premium wines from Europe and the US, South African wine producers realized there was a growing uptake in China, but this was for moderately priced wines. Producers then changed their vinification methods, the process of turning grapes into wine to meet this demand. The change has created a new market for custom-made wine to satisfy Chinese tastes. There are risks, though, especially if consumers in China cut back on their spending.
There's a growth in interest with the mass market. This makes it interesting for South Africa, as we can supply successfully in that bracket. Even though we've shown great growth in terms of volume and value, we should be not getting too excited at the moment. That being said, South Africa saw the biggest gain within the top 10 countries imported into China.
China has become one of the top wine producers in the world, and according to the International Vine and Wine Organization, China consumes more red wine than any other country. Sumitra Nydoo, CCTV, Cape Town.